Hi, this is Heather with Girl Gone Mom. I have the Honeywell Chime. It's a wireless doorbell that runs on 3C batteries. I've already installed mine. And it also comes with a holiday sound card. Kind of looks like a USB card. Right here is a volume button, and this is the dial to select what sound you want your doorbell to chime with. So that's the finished product. It just mounts on the wall. And this is the bell push button that also comes included. This replaces your existing button that you have outside, and it also has 2 AAA batteries, so everything's completely wireless and easy to install, which is key. So I just wanted to show you how it works. You can have your normal sound chimes that would play on a normal day. And I'll play some of the holiday ones. So it's a pretty neat way to be festive and add to the ambiance of your holiday gathering. And I believe you can buy sound cards for other occasions and holidays as well. I myself would like to get the birthday one. I think that would be nice to have when you're having guests over for a birthday party. So that's it. That's the Honeywell Chime. I still have to install mine, but it's just a matter of getting outside when it's not raining. Good product from Honeywell.